My Pityrosporum Folliculitis Sun Savvy Kit is really great for summer acne. So do you get itchy, odd, tender red pimples in the summer when the weather turns hot? As soon as you start getting sweaty, your skin goes a little bit bananas with these itchy, tender pimples along the hairline, the little triangle around your ears, your neck, your chest, and your back. And there's also little studded, tiny flesh-colored bumps that are actually clogged pores. You can even have those on your neck and on your back and chest. So that's Pityrosporum folliculitis. And I've developed this kit specifically for summer. And let me explain why the ingredients here are important and how to use it. So Pityrosporum folliculitis is an acne condition due to the yeast Pityrosporum. Pityrosporum is also called malassezia, and it's a normal yeast microorganism on your skin. It calls you home, and most of the time it lives peacefully. But when you get hot and sweaty in hot summer weather, that yeast can go bananas, especially if you have oily skin. So to help take the joie de vivre out of that little yeast's life cycle, you can use pyrithione zinc in the calming zinc soap. And you can wash your face with that once a day. Now you alternate that with my foaming acne treatment cleanser because that yeast loves to be tucked into clogged pores. And the active ingredients in the acne treatment cleanser are glycolic acid and salicylic acid. Those are keratolytics, meaning they bust keratin, and those clogged pores are full of keratin plugs. Use keratolytics to open the pores up and get the debris out of the pores, and you're going to make that little yeast uncomfortable. And he's not going to party quite as much, causing those red bumps and those little studded clogged pores. The next step is to apply the glycolic and salicylic acid containing acne treatment pads. Those are going to apply an additional layer of glycolic and salicylic acid, again the keratolytics, to open up the pores so that the yeast isn't quite as happy. After that, you apply benzoyl peroxide, and I've chosen the 2.5% because that's the sweet spot that doesn't irritate sensitive skin typically, but is enough to kill the P. acnes germ, Propionibacterium acnes, that loves to play with the Pityrosporum yeast, and together they seem to co-conspire in this form of acne. In addition, benzoyl peroxide is a keratolytic. So you have 3 great keratolytics here to keep the pores unclogged, and you have a great ingredient for diminishing the zestiness of the Pityrosporum yeast. You also need sun protection. So like I said, this is a form of acne that typically flares in the summer, even in people who may not be super prone to it. And so you want to sun protect your skin because this kind of acne tends to lead to hyperpigmentation. So when the pimples are gone, they often have left behind little brown marks on your skin, especially on your back and chest. I have 2 products here for sun protection. Both contain mineral zinc oxide as their active ingredient, and they provide you broad spectrum sun protection. The first is my tinted mattifying sheer strength pure physical sunscreen. This has the addition of iron oxide in it for tinting, and that iron oxide also blocks infrared rays to help diminish hyperpigmentation from other causes as well. It blends into all skin tones, so even though it's tinted, you don't look like you have makeup, and it helps to hide complexion flaws. So if you've had pimples and they've left little marks, this is going to help to smooth that out a little bit. I've also included my sheer strength spray sunscreen, which is great for the back and chest. So you spray it in your hands and you spread it on your back, your chest, your neck, and it provides great sun protection without any sort of greasy residue that feels kind of icky on your clothes. So here you have everything you need for summer skincare in a product combination that creates complete skincare with cleanse, correct, and there's a little bit of hydrating in here and protecting. If you need more skin hydration, you can add a product like my daily face cream for oily to normal skin. But this skincare routine is perfect for all of the elements that drive Pityrosporum folliculitis. So I hope you find this a useful skincare routine if you're prone to Pityrosporum folliculitis, and I hope you found the information helpful.